Browse ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTEUVWXYZ hash new categories graduation cap college cigarette drugs shortcake food speech balloon internet headphone music person raising hand medium skin tone name folded hand religion eggplant sex soccer ball sport upward trend work boat store blog card your card is empty. Visit the store, type any word. Top definition: giant tights with the appearance of jeans. Fake jeans originated at Supri stores, easier for emo boys to squeeze into instead of your big sister's old skinny jeans. Wow, those jeans are tight. That's cause they're giants by 1337 emo June 25th. 2009-2716 flag get the mug, get a giant's mug for your mama Helena. December 9th, word of the day 21, the age at which one is finally considered human. By Anonymous August 7th, 2003-6816-1806 flag get the mug, get a 21 mug for your barber Natalie. 2 giant is a combination of alright and tight. Fran, hey John, I'm going to this all-girls party tonight. But if you want to come I can get you in. John, I'll see you there. By Abijah, January 14th, 2005 411 flag get the mug, get a giant mug for your brother-in-law Callisto. December 13th, trending 1, watermelon sugar 2, ghetto spread 3, girls who eat carrots 4, sorority squad 5, Dirk 6, Mamala 7, knocking 8, dog shot 9, Sputnik 10, Gubby 11, knocking 12, nuke the fridge 13, obnoxion 14, EEEO 11-15, Edward 40 hand 16, heels up 17, Columbus 18, 8 got 19, Herb Dick 20, Yak shaving 21, Rush B Zicablia 22, Pimp Nails 23, Backpedaling 24, Arnold 25, got the 26, by the way 27, Wetter than an otter's pocket 28, Soy face 29, TSIF 30, Georgia Rose activity copyright 1999 to 2020 Urban Dictionary registered advertised terms of service privacy DMCA remove help block data subject request.